Headed South by Zach Bryan is going to be played in standard tuning and is capoed on the 4th fret of the guitar. It's also a super simple song for beginners because it's just 4 chords. It's the same 4 chords the whole way through the song in the same pattern, and it's the exact same strumming pattern throughout the entire song. From this point forward, I'll be speaking of the chords, shapes, and frets as though the capo is the nut, and I'll be calling them chords like A minor instead of what is actually a C sharp minor, and calling it frets 1, 2, and 3 instead of the real frets of 5, 6, and 7. Also, there are kind of 2 versions of this song. Zach Bryan released it first as a single and then put it on an album, and the album version kind of changed a little bit of the structure of the song a little bit. It's the same chords, it's the same capo position, but what I'm basing this off of is the single version that came out first. So the first chord that you'll need to know is an A minor. You want an open 5 string, you want your second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, your ring finger on the 3 string 2 fret, your first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, and an open 1 string. You'll be strumming from the open 5 string down. So the strumming pattern throughout the entire song is a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So you get the idea. So, the A minor will get played for like 2 rounds, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess I count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes to an F chord. So the way that Zach Bryan is playing this F chord is to probably do it as a bar chord with first finger barring the first fret, and then ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4 string 3 fret, second finger on the 3 string 2 fret. So you can play it that way, or sometimes I'll play my F chord this way. The ring, the pinky, and the second finger are in the same position, but my first finger I will leave in position from the A minor on the 2 string 1 fret, and I'll reach around with my thumb and grab the 6 string 1 fret. So whichever way you want to play that F chord, that's easiest for you. So A minor, 2, 3, 4, the F chord, 2, 3, 4. So they're all being held for counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, F chord, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to a C chord. The way that I play the C chord is to move my ring, pinky, and second fingers just down a set of strings, so that now I've got my ring finger on the 6 string 3 fret, my pinky finger on the 5 string 3 fret, my second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, an open 3 string, my first finger still on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. If you want to play a traditional C chord, feel free to do it that way, with your ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret and your pinky finger just kind of hanging loose out here. So we've got the A minor, to the F, to the C chord, and then the last chord of the round is a G chord. So I move with my ring finger to the 6 string 3 fret, pinky finger I pull back to the 1 string 3 fret, and you can hear a hammer-on happening with the second finger to the 5 string 2 fret. So it's like a down on the 6th string, and then the second down, strum across all the strings and hammer with your second finger down to that 5 string 2 fret. And then just repeat A minor to the F, to the C chord, G chord. So the way that and just does that over and over again. I think there are times that it will kind of just hold the G chord for like 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat 2, 3, 4 before coming back into the A minor with lyrics or something like that. But the way that the album version differs from the single version, it's the exact same chords. It's just happening in kind of double time in the verse. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, it's instead going A minor to, so 2 beats per chord. A minor, F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then whenever you get to the chorus, then it goes back to the 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. And then whenever it goes back into the verse, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, C, G, A minor, F, C, G. So those are the chords and the movements, the 2 different ways that Headed South gets played by Zach Bryan. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.